Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Law Creations. Sorry about no video posting for quite a few days. A lot longer than I wanted. I like trying to do a video every day, keeping in touch with you folks and showing you what I'm up to and different odds and ends. And finally had some time today and a little bit yesterday to work on my diorama, and I just wanted to show you and maybe do a quick tutorial here on something that I want to do. And I didn't know if you folks knew, that this was available, or even if you knew how to do it. So I haven't done much sign making in regards to on my dioramas. So this is how I go about it. I have my piece that I'm working on here. It's my stone wall. I don't know if you guys can see the detail and everything. Obviously, it's going to be this way, but I'm just trying to capture it in the video. And I want to put a signage up here. So that's what I'm going to shoot for here today. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it, how I'm going to achieve it. So just be patient with me as I fumble through this. Talking to my friend Nasha1 on Facebook, and he was recommending some signs and some various things to enhance dioramas. So that's what I'm going to try and do today. So thank you, Nash, for the suggestion. So here we go, guys. So I open up Google on my laptop, on your desktop, or whatever, and I typed in radiation signs. So that's kind of what I want to go for. So I just checking around, and this, as you can see, all the different signs that you can pick from, and they're really pretty cool signs to enhance your. It says show more, but I think I can find one here that I'm shooting for. And so let's see, several good ones. So let's do this one. All right, so you find the one you want, you enlarge it, and then what you do is you right click it and you go copy image. So I'm going to copy that image right there. Now you can do several onto one sheet of paper, but that's the one I'm going to go for. So I copied it. So what I'm going to do is X out of this. Okay, and then I'm going to use Microsoft Word, but I imagine you can use any program that you can copy an image to and then size it the way you want and then save it. So I'm going to go here to blank document right here on Word. So there's my blank document, okay? So I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to go to my paste options, and there it is. All right, so there it is in Word. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to size it. I'm going to size it for the size that I think would look decent on the top of this. So maybe a bit smaller, because I'm going to kind of put it on a card back, like cardstock. I'll show you how I do that. So I think right there. All right, so now I could keep pasting that and do various sizes, but I think that size is going to be perfect for what I'm looking for, and I think it'll work out great. All right, so let me try and pause this here. I'm going to go over to my printer and I'm going to print that sign, okay? And then we'll try to get a little better organized over here. Okay, so I went and I printed my sign, and if you can see the size there, it came out really good. So what I do now, obviously I need to trim it. I have to cut it, so I have to get my ruler, and we're going to cut it. Okay, so let's cut this out. I'll show you. I'll cut out the cardstock, and I'll be back with it cut out, and because I just use my ruler, my X-Acto knife, and I go around it, and then I take this. This is cardstock. This is just the backing of a pad of paper, and I'll cut that out to size as well. I'll glue it, probably Mod Podge it, right onto the surface of this here, and we'll have a sign, and we'll take a look at the end, and we'll check it out, and we'll see how it looks. But there's so many options that you have to choose from in regards to signage, and just adding a little more detail to your dioramas. So it gives you an idea of it helps add to your scene. It helps to maybe tell a story or whatever. So let me go ahead and cut this out, guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I cut it out. I cut out my cardstock in the back here. I took some Mod Podge, and right now it's currently glued and drying. So take a look at that. That looks pretty awesome. Obviously, I'll give it a black wash to give it some age, and I'll have a good, decent sign. So you just have to find an image. You have to find a program that can find an image, you copy it, you right-click and copy it, and then you find yourself a program. You might even be able to do it in Paint, but I did it in, like you saw, Microsoft Word. And then you just copy it to a new document, and then you can size it any size you want. And then print it, attach it to your cardstock, give it a black wash, make it look a little damaged, a little dirty, and then attach it. So let me back up the camera. I'll back up the camera. Actually, I'll just raise it up and we'll take a look. Yeah, we'll be able to, and it'll go somewhere along these lines like this up here. So if you can see, my big finger's in the way here, but I just wanted to share with you guys, show you a little in process of what I'm doing today. Actually had a halfway decent day to get some work done, so maybe finish up my diorama tonight. But there it is, guys. But you can see how nice that texture gel works. It gives yourself a nice texture. Got some bullet holes there, some just some odds and ends. So we're winding down to the end of this diorama. I have the base done. Let's check out the base, and I'll show you it all together when it's already magnetized. So it'll be, along the lines of this here. So, and then I'll have the signage here. It's gonna look nice, but stay tuned for the final reveal. I just wanted to show you how I made this sign, so I'll give you guys some ideas for your dioramas. Very simple to do, and so many options to choose from. Okay, you guys take care. I'm glad I'm able to talk to you guys again here in a video, and stay tuned probably for another video tomorrow. Okay, take care, guys.